In this video, we explore some answers to this question: how do I start creating my website? Stay tuned as I am going to walk you through some steps to help you create a website. I will give you important website tips to follow which can help you set up and create a website quickly with no prior experience needed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to walk away with a powerful action plan to create your own website. Keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button so you do not miss any new videos. Please give the video a like because that motivates me to make content for you. Thank you very much. Let's dive in. So let me start by telling you that you can create a website in less than 1 hour. You don't need to be a tech wizard either. It doesn't matter if it's for business or pleasure. You don't need a fancy designer or an expensive website developer. Let me now give you 2 steps to get your own piece of internet real estate up and running quickly. Here we go. So the first step is to sign up for Hostinger. I suggest that you select their single shared web hosting plan for just $1.99 per month. It's a 4-year contract, but it's the best deal out there and you can get a free domain name too. All you need to do is follow the steps to create an account and purchase the plan. Here is the second step. Go and install WordPress. Did you know that about 43% of the web is built on WordPress? And you can install WordPress as your content management system, which is a CMS, with just one click from your Hostinger control panel. You'll use your CMS to control the look and feel of your website. It's also how you'll upload all your content. In less time it takes to watch an episode of your favourite TV show on Netflix, you can have your new website live. If you want to create a website that builds an audience and makes you money the right way, there is a bit more to do. But don't worry, I am going to give you some ideas to help you. I will now give you some steps to create a website. Here we go. So my first step is to choose the perfect domain name for your online business. Choosing a domain is one of the most important decisions you can make for your site. It literally says how you want to be represented to the world. It's the address for your site and the way people will remember who you are. While many of the best domains are taken, that doesn't mean you won't be able to find a perfect domain for your brand. When brainstorming good domain names, I recommend that you consider the following elements. Easy to say and to spell. Potential visitors should be able to say your domain name out loud to someone without them having to ask twice how to spell or say it. The next is to keep it short and sweet. I recommend no more than 14 characters. You don't want an overly long domain name that's hard to remember and say. I recommend to go with a .com, .org or a .net. While there are plenty of domain name systems out there, it's best to stick with the tried and true. You want people to be able to remember it after all. Here is the next tip. Use your name. A particularly great choice for a personal blog, website or portfolio. Here is the next one. Avoid numbers and hyphens. This just makes it look weird in the URL. Plus it makes it harder for people to say your URL to others. I suggest that you come up with a few potential domain names in case your top choice is already taken. The Hostinger domain checker is free and will let you know if the domain name you want is available. You can type your desired name into the domain checker. If it's available, fantastic. If not, Hostinger will automatically provide a few recommendations that are close to what you are looking for. Maybe one of the recommendations works for you. Maybe you have to try a different approach. I recommend you brainstorm ideas and search until you find an available domain that you like, rather than taking something that isn't quite right just because it is available. It's possible to buy a domain that's already taken, but I don't recommend doing that because it's very expensive. In fact, quality domains typically cost a few $1,000s at a minimum. I've seen it go as high as 6 or 7 figures for a domain. My advice is to get scrappy, get creative and be flexible. You will be able to find one that's available at a reasonable price. Don't add the domain to your cart at this time. You can get a domain for free by signing up for their premium shared hosting service, which is what I recommend. If at any point you want access to more training resources you can use to understand WordPress to build a website, I recommend you click the link under the video now and check out the WordPress Starter online course. This course contains so much valuable information that you will not find anywhere else. You can use everything you learn on this course to start and build a professional website with WordPress. If you want to learn more about this course, you can find the link in the description box under this video. So let's now get back to those tips. Here we go. Let me give you my next tip. Get web hosting and free domain registration with Hostinger. A website needs just two things to go live: a domain name and a web host. You just came up with your domain name, now it's time to put it to use with a good web host. I highly recommend you use Hostinger for your website's host. They offer a fast and reliable web host. Hostinger also allows you to register your domain free of charge. You can get Hostinger today for just $1.99 per month at this moment in time. It will give you all you need to get your website up and running. You can start by going to Hostinger's website, then click on Start Now. It will give you three options for shared hosting, which is the type of hosting most people want to create a new website. Hostinger offers three options for shared hosting: single, premium and business. I recommend signing up for premium unless you already have a domain name. I suggest this because the single shared hosting plan does not come with a free domain, whereas premium and business plans do. Since you need a domain name in order to have a website, the vast majority of users looking to create a site are going to want both domain and hosting bundled together. Both premium and business plans come with the ability to create 100 websites, 100 email accounts and other tools to keep your site at top performance. The business plan comes with more storage and bandwidth, so your site will be able to handle more traffic than with a premium plan. For most new sites, premium will be more than enough, but if you are expecting a ton of traffic right away, business might be a better choice. Once you select the best plan for you, Hostinger will ask you how long you want to sign up. I suggest to go for the 48-month period for the premium plan, so you can max out the discount. You can wind up paying less than $100 for 4 years of hosting. That's a phenomenal price, especially when you consider that many other hosting providers charge extra for things like SSL certificates, website builders, email accounts and other critical features that Hostinger bundles in for free. After selecting the length of your hosting agreement, complete the rest of the information on the page. Here are the steps to take. Number 1. Register an account with Hostinger. You can use an email address or sign up via an existing Google, Facebook or GitHub account. Whatever you choose, make it an email or account that you check regularly, as this is how Hostinger will communicate with you about any issues that come up. Here is step 2. Enter payment details. Hostinger accepts all major credit cards and a variety of online payment gateways such as PayPal, Google Play and CoinGate. Here is step 3. Click Submit. Once you submit your payment, you have 30 days to try Hostinger risk-free. If you are not happy with your service, cancel within the first month for a refund. Once your payment goes through and you confirm your email address, you'll be able to begin setting up your site. If you need managed WordPress hosting, WP Engine is a fantastic option. As a managed host, WP Engine professionally maintains speed and security at the server level, so you don't have to do anything. Let me give you the next step. Claim your free domain name. You'll receive a welcome email from Hostinger once your payment gets processed. From there, you can simply follow the onboard instructions to log in and finalize your account. Hostinger will prompt you to answer a series of simple questions about your new website. The questions are all very straightforward and you can get through this step in just a few minutes. If you signed up for a premium or business shared hosting plan, you'll have the option to claim your free domain at this time. You'll also have the option to purchase additional domains or connect any domains that you already own. Your domain is only free for 1 year and it will automatically renew at a higher rate. This is common practice for every web hosting provider that offers free domains. I suggest to keep an eye on the renewal prices as you're completing this step to avoid any surprises down the road. Here is my next tip. Install WordPress with Hostinger. Now it's time to choose your CMS, which is a content management system, and WordPress is my top recommendation. You'll have other options to choose from through Hostinger, but unless you have a niche specific reason to do so, WordPress is the best option for the vast majority of new websites. It's simple, affordable, and gives you complete control over your site creation. Now, I have a question for you. What challenges are you finding in this area? Leave a comment below the video and let me know. So, of all the things that I have covered in this tutorial will help you start creating your own website. If you need help with WordPress, make sure you click the link under the video now and check out the WordPress Starter online course. This online course will give you all the digital marketing skills, training and knowledge you need with WordPress to start creating a website and is ideal for anyone, including beginners. The link is in the description below the video, so check it out now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. That motivates me to make more content for you. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.